Hey there guys, My Innovation's back for another video, and today's the day we're attacking the grass with the mowers. So I thought, since it's been so long, I'd get the old 1972 Briggs & Stratton 3.50 horsepower out and take her out for a spin. So this is a 3.50 horse, as I said. We've got to open up the hood right quick. There we go. So this is a machine. Like I said, it was a 1972. I got this thing from the knacker's yard, scrap yard for you people who don't know what I mean. Here, proof. 1972 right there. So we're going to see if it'll start. I have not ran it today. It is bone cold. It has not been ran in quite a few months. Actually, it's got oil. Check the carburetor, make sure there's no obstructions in there. It's got petrol. And we'll see how we go. Alrighty. Alright, so we're back here again now. And yeah, so I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to prime it. And this engine has what you call a choke-o-matic carburetor. So you need to prime it. So I'm going to show you how to prime it. So I hope you can see. Yeah. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you've got your throttle on. And you're going to want to tip it up like this for a couple of seconds, so like 5, 6. So now that's primed, we're going to give it a pull and hopefully it'll start. So we've got the throttle set. Like I said, it hasn't been run in ages and ages, so I'm going to see if it'll go. Oh, try. So there you have it. It burns a bit of oil, but it runs great. I really do. When it's warm, you can get a really good slow idle out of it. So yeah, that's it. So thank you, and see you later.